Hello friends, we are going to study about the incentive plans that companies adopt for calculating incentives for the employees so that they can reward the employees in a monetary term. There are basically two type of incentive plan. First is our individual and second is our group. In individual incentive plans, we have again either it is based on time or it is based on productivity. Last time we have studied about Halsey plan. Now we are going to study about Rowan plan. Rowan has a little different concept from Halsey. However, both are similar in nature. He is also planning to incentivize the employee using the bonus. However, the bonus is not counted on a percentage wise. It has a it it is being counted on an hourly basis. For this is the formula that we are going to use. However, for total earning, will add this bonus with his monthly earning. Here, the basic difference between Halsey and Rowan is if an employee is expected to finish the job in 8 hours. However, he is finishing the job in 10 hours. There won't be much difference on an hourly basis. So let's say that if 2 rupees per hour is paid for an employee completing the job for 8 hours, the same will be applicable for 10 hours also. However, if some employees are finishing the same job in 6 hours, the rate will be different and it will be much better than the rate which is counted for 8 hours. The difference we'll understand with this example. Now let's say that there is a standard time that is 15 hours. As this standard time is very important to finalize the incentive for any organization, and this standard time can be found using time and motion studies only, or you have your past experience or past data according on which you can count and you can find the standard time to complete a certain job. Here we have considered that standard time is 15 hours, rate is rupees 2. Employee A is finishing in 6 hours and employee B is finishing in 12 hours. If you put in the formula of bonus, then we will have these values. So this is 6 is T for employee A, this is 2 is rate, and then 15 is our standard time, then 6 minus 15. So here it will come as 12 into 0.6, which comes as 7.2 rupees per hour. For employee B, bonus will be counted as the T is 12 for him. So we have considered 12. So 12 into 2, it will be 24 into, after calculating this, we'll get 0.2, which comes as 4.8 rupees per hour. So here we can see that for employee A, bonus will be higher than than for employee B, and accordingly he'll get higher salary, or the incentive will be counted on a higher part for him.